Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In this lecture, we shall complete the reading of unit number 6. Trying is better than crying. In this page, we shall come to know how determined Suhail Abbas was. After rejection in 18 Commonwealth Games, he did not give up his hope and worked hard and later proved himself by holding the world record as the leading scorer. Now let us start reading. Page number 37, beta. Paragraph number 8. When the rules to hit a penalty corner were changed after the 1998 World Cup, he was not considered for the 16 Commonwealth Games. He felt discouraged, but his love and passion for hockey didn't let him feel down. He worked hard and improved his skills to prove himself. Today, Sohail Abbas holds the world record for the highest number of goals in field hockey. His work hard, unbeatable determination, and strong belief in himself made him a shining star. He always took his failures positively. He is an inspiration for us. Many great men got success just after failures, but the only key behind their success was that they made their failure their powers. Sohail Abbas is one of them. Success doesn't just come and find us. We have to find it out and get it. We should keep our hopes high and work hard to make our dreams come true. Paragraph number 9. After reading the text, Talha felt really motivated. He understood that one should not feel demoralized if one meets with failure time and again. Trying is better than crying, Talha said to himself. He went to his sister and thanked for her help. I am not scared of failure. I am going to participate in the essay writing contest, he said. Maha was very happy for her brother. Dear student, thus Talha learnt that failure is the first step of success. I believe all of you will enjoy this lesson. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.